How to enable split screen view mode with two apps viewed together at the same time. And this is on your Infinix Hot 30 smartphone or any other Infinix phone with Android 13. So the fastest way to do this here, let's just say you have some apps open already. You can perform the recent gesture, or if you have the navigation buttons, go ahead and tap on that there. And when you're in this view mode here, what's gonna happen is you'll see all the apps open, and every app that's open, you will be able to tap on the icon right there. There's this icon right here for every app. This here will give you options, and not every app will have it, but if it does say split screen, you can tap on it. And the first app is gonna roll up like this here to the top. And now you can choose another app to appear underneath it. So I'll go with this one here. And this is gonna happen now. You'll get this split screen view mode here. You can adjust the size of it for either one of them. And of course, when you're ready to exit out of it, you can just pull all the way to the bottom to close out the bottom one, or to the top, and that'll give you back the full screen view mode. Like and sub.